How to apply filters in MS Excel sheet.
Filters in Excel help quickly isolate and view relevant data, making analysis easier and more focused. One of the ways of applying filters is go to Home tab. Select Sort and Filter tab and then click on Filter. Filters will be applied on all columns. But this is a lengthy way of doing things. How we can apply filters instantly. Hello and welcome! In today's tutorial I will teach you how you can apply column filters in MS Excel sheet in just 1 second. Cool? You don't need to go to any tab or click any option. All you need to do is press Ctrl, Shift and L button together and column filter will be applied in MS Excel sheet. We can apply filter in active worksheet by clicking any cell and then press Ctrl, Shift and L button together. Similarly, if you want to remove filter from any MS Excel sheet, again press Ctrl, Shift and L button together and filter will be removed in just 1 second. This is the best shortcut to apply or remove filters in MS Excel sheet within 1 second. Hope you liked today's video. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit bell icon to get notifications on my latest videos. See ya!